stuck in survival mode because your cortisol and adrenaline have hijacked your health? Well, imagine you're hiking alone and suddenly a growl. You freeze, your eyes widen. Your brain doesn't wait for logic. It doesn't ask, is it a bear or just wind? It instantly flips a biological switch. The command is simple: survive. In milliseconds, a region deep in your brain called the amygdala sends an emergency alert to your hypothalamus. That's your command center for all things stress. It sends signal down your spine to your adrenal glands, and boom, adrenaline floods your system. Your pupils dilate to spot danger. Your heart pounds to push blood to your muscles. Your lungs expand. You're breathing fast. Digestion stops. Reproduction on pause. Thinking clearly, not right now, because this isn't a moment to philosophize. It's a moment to run, fight, or freeze. But that's just the beginning. Within minutes, another hormone kicks in, cortisol. This is your long game hormone. It keeps you alert, raises your blood sugar, and fuels your brain. It even suppresses inflammation because healing a wound can wait. This entire process is called the fight or flight response. It's ancient, it's automatic, and it's designed to keep you alive during short and immediate threats. But here's the catch. In the modern world, the bear isn't a wild animal. It's your inbox. It's your financial stress. It's the argument. It's the traffic. And when your stress response gets activated all day, every day, this survival system becomes your slow breakdown system. From a biological standpoint, your sympathetic nervous system, your gas pedal, is in overdrive, and your parasympathetic system, you stay stuck in survival mode. There are two key players in your body's stress response, and while they work together, they serve very different roles. First, the adrenaline, also called epinephrine. This is your panic mode hormone. It's released within seconds of threat. It spikes your heart rate, widens your airways, sharpens your focus. Your body is flooded with oxygen and glucose to act fast. It's about immediate survival. Then comes cortisol, your endurance mode. It kicks in minutes after the threat. It works more slowly but more powerfully. It keeps your brain alert, raises your blood sugar even higher, and even tells your immune system to chill out because inflammation takes a backseat to escaping danger. Both hormones are produced by the adrenal glands, tiny but powerful triangle-shaped organ that sits right on top of your kidneys like a hat. They are small, but they control everything from energy to your blood pressure. Now here's the good news. When these hormones spike occasionally, they protect you. They are your internal emergency team. But here's the problem. Most of us aren't dealing with short bursts of danger. We're dealing with long-term, never-ending tension. And when stress is chronic, these helpful hormones become harmful. Your body stays flooded with adrenaline, causing anxiety, jitteriness, even heart palpitation, and cortisol. It shifts from helpful to harmful. Breaking down muscle increases belly fat, raising blood sugar, and suppressing your immune system long term. So what starts as survival turns into slow burnout. Your stress hormones are not the enemy. They are just in the wrong job. They were designed to save your life, not manage your inbox. Here's the hard truth. We are no longer running from the lions, but our biology doesn't know that. We have replaced predators to pings and pressure and push notification at 2 a.m. Let's break it down. So let's break it down. You get a late night work email. Your brain perceives that as a threat to safety and status. Danger. Your sympathetic nervous system kicks on, heart rate goes up, adrenaline starts flowing, cortisol rises again. Next morning, you're stuck in traffic. You're late. You argue with your partner. You scroll through the news. Economic fears, political tension, global disasters, more pings, more deadlines, more alerts. Your brain can't tell the difference between psychological stress and physical threat. It treats them all the same. And here's what that means hormonally. Your cortisol rhythm, the natural rise in the morning and fall at night, gets hijacked. Instead of a healthy curve, it flattens, or worse, it stays high at night when it's supposed to drop. That leads to insomnia, irritability, brain fog, sugar cravings, and eventually burnout. Your stress hormones were meant to spike occasionally, then retreat so your body can recover. But today, they never get the memo to stand down. This is how modern life breaks your hormone balance. Not with one big trauma, but with 1,000 micro stressors a day that keeps your body in a survival mode, even when you're just sitting at your desk. Normally, cortisol peaks in the morning, giving you an energy to start the day. It gradually tapers off as evening arrives. But with chronic stress, that rhythm flattens. Some people crash in the morning and get wired at night. Others feel tired and wired all day. This is what we call dysregulated cortisol, and it leads to fatigue, brain fog, insomnia, irritability, belly fat gain. If this goes on long enough, your adrenal system can't keep up. It's like a battery that's been drained for too long. You enter burnout, which is no motivation, no joy, no recovery, and sometimes even basic tasks feel monumental. This isn't weakness, it's biology. You don't have to quit your life, but you do have to retrain your nervous system. Here's how to lower stress hormones naturally. You need to sleep. Deep sleep restores cortisol balances. Breathe. 6 deep breaths in 60 seconds resets adrenaline. Balance blood sugar, which equals more protein plus fiber to calm the cortisol. Nature and movement. Walks reduce cortisol by up to 30%. Boundaries. You don't have to say yes to everything. When you master your stress hormones, you reclaim your clarity, energy, and peace. Cortisol and adrenaline are not the enemy, but when they run the show 24/7, your body breaks down. Stress isn't just mental, it's hormonal. The good news, you can take the rhyme. Calm your nervous system and watch your health transform.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.